Good eyesight makes perfect moments. For expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. Go to EO. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Salamat po Awit Awards sa Vibe. Thank you God. Thank you so much. Thank you sa UMG family at sa lahat ng mga taong nakasuporta po sa likod ko. Maraming salamat po. And in front of these beautiful artists, beautiful people, gusto ko lang i-grab tong chance na to to share this beautiful thing. I just wanna remind everyone na I don't think nilagay tayo ng Panginoon kung nasan tayo ngayon just for popularity, fame, and money. Naniniwala akong there's a greater purpose kung bakit tayo nandito. And let me remind everyone na yes, we're artists at nandito tayo to express ourselves through our crafts and through our songs. But I just want to remind everyone na there's people look up on us. There are people look up on us. And we're here just to entertain them but also to inspire them. At naniniwala akong tayong mga manlilikha ay isa sa may pinakamalakas na boses sa mga panahong ito. And I'm encouraging everyone to use that loud voice against sa corruption na nangyayari sa bansa natin ngayon. Yeah. And
For years, I was the sweet girl. I'm not that girl anymore. For every transformation, I need new Cream Silk Repair Booster Treatments with amino keratin for up to 48-hour softness and smoothness. New Repair Booster Treatments.